Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate a Spotify Premium account, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate a Spotify Premium account, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the official Spotify website at www.spotify.com. Click on the green Get Premium button located on the home page. You will be presented with different subscription plans. Choose the plan that best fits your needs, either individual, student, family, or duo. Once you've selected a plan, click on the green Get Started button. If you don't have an existing Spotify account, choose Sign Up. Fill in the required details, including your email address, password, and profile name. You can also sign up using Facebook or Apple for convenience. If you already have an account, select Login and enter your credentials. Once logged in, proceed to the payment page. Enter your payment information, such as credit or debit card details. You can also choose PayPal if it's available in your region. Review your subscription details to confirm. After confirming, click the Start My Spotify Premium button. You should receive a confirmation message indicating your premium account is active. You can now download the Spotify app on your smartphone or stay on the desktop version. Log in with your Spotify account details to enjoy your premium features. Explore music, create playlists, and listen without ads. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.